Hi, I had 78 products to finish at the end of 2021 after my April empties. Let us see what's happened in May. Cleansing products first, Micellar Water, Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Loved this, already have repurchased. Super cheap, much better than spending so much money on Bioderma. I get the same efficacy, the same results as I do with Bioderma. I already have a full 500ml tub of Bioderma, but you know this is 400ml, cheap as chips. So for budgeting reasons, I will be sticking to Garnier. I have a video coming up on how I've been budgeting on beauty, how I've been sticking to staples that are far more affordable, how I've been replacing a number of staples with far more affordable products. Stay tuned for that. It includes this one. The next product is a cleanser proper. CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. This is oil-free. Contains glycerin, ceramides, hyaluronic acid. Very gentle. Not at all a foaming cleanser. Very soothing. I've had a few allergic reactions for the last few weeks, and this has really helped soothe my skin, particularly on the face, and sort of calm it down. I've also been using it on my neck. You don't want to know the condition of my neck right now. It's an appalling condition, people. That's why I'm all covered up. There's concealer, which makes for a very grotesque effect. Well, let's not talk about my neck. So will I repurchase this? I already have. There's a full one there. A bottle is 355ml, not your standard 150ml. 355ml. I like that there's a pump there, so it lasts for ages. And I have here the COSRX AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. The best thing about this is that it is a spray. So I close my eyes and, avoiding the eye area, I go spritz here, spritz here, spritz here. Yeah, and that's it. There is my acid. It's very gentle. It's a starter acid. I had allergic reactions in May, so I've had to tone down on acid, and this is the one that I used up. Very nice. There's AHA and BHA. There's no oil in there. And the glycolic acid percentage is 0.1%, and the betaine salicylate is also 0.1%. With that kind of strength, you can't go wrong with it. Another toner sample that I finished is from Secret Key Galactomyces toner. This the treatment essence. Apparently a dupe for SK2. I never really got on the SK2 bandwagon. I have no idea why that is. So I can't tell you if this is a dupe for SK2 or not. I have 3 or 4 samples of SK2. I don't really use them up. I should probably. Instead, what I did was, once I finished this, I found a bottle of Purito Galactoniacin 97 Par Essence. And I tried that because, you know, my skin clearly didn't mind the galactomyces, and I fell completely in love with it, and I want to repurchase the Purito Galactoniacin 97 Par Essence ASAP. Hopefully I can do that by the end of June. Hopefully there will be a bit of affiliate money on YesStyle. If you are spending anything on YesStyle, please do feel free to use my referral code. I get 2% in referral points, which I can redeem for products. I don't get any money. If you want, if you don't want, just avoid it. The next product is a serum. This is from Pixie. It is a Glow Tonic serum. I used it as a spot treatment mainly, you know, kind of here when I had acne, here when I had acne. And this is one of Pixie's better serums. If you're looking for a glycolic-based serum, not a toner, a serum, this is perfect. No oil in here, people. And I like that this was gentle enough to be combined with the COSRX AHA BHA Clarifying Toner. Very nice. Will I repurchase? Probably one day, yeah, because this is one of the better glycolic acid serums out there. I will not, however, be repurchasing the Slurp Niacid essence, a serum, yeah, at all. It was lipidic. It did not contain oils, but it was lipidic in texture. And have you seen those advertisements where Slurp shows you pitted acne scars rising, the pits rising, becoming very shallow, and then smoothing out, and the skin is perfect? Have you seen those adverts? Let me tell you something. They're bloody lies. This is somebody who has used 3 bottles of this, 3 full bottles of this, and seen a rat's ass of difference. They will find excuses. They'll say, I'm using other products. Who are they, drunk elephant? They'll say, I don't know, one-eyed or something. They'll find excuses. They'll say it's my ethnicity. They'll say I have, I don't know, short hair or something, or I'm I don't know, too old or too young for results, or the scars are 3 years old or something. Whatever, they'll find excuses. The point is that they show these adverts of pitted acne scars rising up and smoothing out with just this product. I have used this diligently as per their advice. 3 whole bottles. I'm not going to waste any more money. It costs a bomb, people. There are far better niacinamide products out there, including the Purito Galactoniacin 97 Power Essence that I just mentioned. I feel that that is better, gives better results on my skin than this. The other thing is the texture, as I told you, is a bit lipidic, which makes me, do I want to layer this? Yes, you know. So yeah, those of you who've seen the ads on Facebook in particular, Niacid Slurp did not work for me. I'm not going to do an individual review. I just want to be rid of this. Face moisturizer, First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Confession. Did not use on my face. Contains shea butter, people. Ergo, it went on my neck. Was a very good product for the neck. I really, really like this. Particularly, I think when the weather is cold, when your skin is very dry, when your skin is a bit traumatized with allergic reactions and things like that, this is a good choice. Came free in an advent calendar. I already have 2 or 3 left, so I won't be repurchasing. Bath and Body soap, not shower gel. I'm moving to soap. See, this is paper. Paper, very eco-friendly. The Body Shop Almond Milk and Honey came in a care package that I got for Christmas. I did not buy this. This is almond milk and honey, as I said. Smelled alright, was creamy, soft to the touch. Yeah, a soap is a soap is a soap is a soap. Will I repurchase? I have 2 more that came in the same care package. After that, we'll see, yeah, because there are other fragrances. Hand creams, hand treatment products, 2 of them. The first is a Danish brand. This came in the Skin City Advent Calendar. This is Jorgobe hand cream, 30 mils. Yeah, I know it looks small, but it's actually 30 mils, same size, sort of average size as other hand creams. This was very, very, very nice and very protective of the hands. And we're all washing our hands more and using hand rub, so drier hands, people. This one, well, soothed my hands a great deal. The other hand product that I have is from Shara Shara, Korean brand. We don't really see much of Shara Shara these days. Do they even exist? This is a soft hand gommage. So it wasn't a kind of St. Ives walnut scrub, Ness, or apricot scrub. It was a sort of gentle, peely thing, mild exfoliation and soothing. And then I went in with this. And yeah, my hands are better than they used to be last year. So yeah, pleased with both. Will I repurchase? I have a couple of other gommages or similar products and a bunch of hand creams to get through. Lastly, body lotion. Clarins body lotion, 30 mils. Gift with purchase from Clarins. If there's one brand that's terribly generous with samples, it's Clarins. They bury you in samples before you even buy anything. Happens to me each time. Yeah, this one I got that way. Very nice body lotion. Lightweight, ideal for not very dry weather, not very cold weather, not very traumatized skin. Normally, very nice. Contains mineral oil. Don't put this on your face, people. There's a few who are prone to breakouts. Will I repurchase? I think so, yeah. The only thing is right now I can't afford it. Once I can, I will be repurchasing this. This is from Clarins counter, and they'll bury me in another pile of samples all over again. So yeah, this will be my next Clarins purchase. Their body lotion, moisture rich. So 10 products, 11 if you count this tiny thing. Yeah, let's see if I got that right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 products. Let's count this. It's bigger than my nose. So 11 products done in May 2021. And that leaves me with 67 products to get through for the rest of this year, which means I have 6.75 products to use up each month. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out. What have you used up this month? Do tell me what your empties are. I'd love to know. Did you love anything, hate anything? Have you used any of these? Do you love them, hate them? The Garnier Micellar Water, how do you compare that to Bioderma? Stay tuned for my video on splurge or save products and how I've been budgeting of late. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.